friends, welcome to our channel Agrico's World. In this video, we are going to discuss the procedure for the online uploading of your documents after the seat allotment. So first, for the online applying of your documents, you have to go into your Chrome and then open the website icar.exam.net 2020. And then go into the portal iCar Counseling. And then go into the portal iCar Counseling. Then there will be a page of the iCar in which the applicant login and the university login is given. Here we have to go into the applicant login site and then we have to enter our application number and the password. This is the same application number and the password which has been sent into your registered mobile number, and then enter the security code. And here friends, you will be having a page in which there will be print rank card, choices printout and upload documents option, and below that there will be also the allotted university name. So go into the upload documents page. And here you will be having the candidate details, your father name, mother name, your category, your domicile state and the university where you have completed your UG, etc. And your 10th, 12th and the graduation marks are also given here. And at below it is mentioned that upload all relevant documents as information displayed above. And here it is clearly mentioned that the document size is 100 KB to 500 KB and the size is A4 portrait. For converting your documents into the proper size friends, first you have to scan them and you have to resize them to 100 KB to 500 KB. There are also many apps available in the Play Store for converting your document into the required size, and also you can do it in the internet shops which are available nearby your place, or else you can also do it with your laptop or your computer which is available at the home in the MS Paint application. Here it is given to apply your high school 10th or matriculation certificate, in which there will be the date of birth of yours. And if your date of birth is not mentioned in your SSC certificate, you can also go for applying the date of birth certificate, and it is mandatory. Now here you have to choose the file from the files, and here is my certificate, SSC certificate. I am uploading it. And here you will be getting it as file uploaded successfully. Then click it as OK. Here is also an option to view your file. There you can click it if you want to view your file. And here this is the file of yours. Then click it as OK. The next one is class 10th certificate and class 10th mark sheets. And this is the doubt which has been raised by many of our friends. Here you have to be clear that the class 10 certificate or the class 10th mark sheet is the same. We have even line number. So they have said us to apply the same 10th class mark sheet. So without any problem, you can apply it. Or else if you have any further doubts, you can call into the toll-free number which is displayed over the screen. So here again, I am uploading it for all the files. This should be done in the same way. And here next it is given as the 12th certificate. Upload your 12th mark sheet. And after you upload each and every file, it will be given as file uploaded successfully. Then click it as OK. Here for the 12th certificate and the 12th mark sheet, you have to upload your 12th or the inter memo. In the next option, you have final year mark sheet or the grade or the certificate. Here you have to apply your last, that is the mark sheet which is showing your GP. Next option, you have domicile certificate. Domicile certificate is nothing but the resident certificate. The next one is the character certificate from the last attended institute. Here you have to apply, here you have to upload your bona fide certificate for this. And the last one is your caste certificate or your category certificate. Here I am taking my seat under OBC, so I am applying my OBC certificate. And please be clear friends that all the images which you are uploading should be in the JPG format. And after you apply all your files, and here there is an option to view your files. So please view them again and upload the files properly. And after applying all your documents, here you have a declaration that I do hereby declare that documents uploaded for online counseling are in proper format as per instructions. I understand and agree in the event found of any document, information is found false or incorrect or incomplete, or it may or not in a proper format, my candidature is liable to be rejected. So before this, you have to click on this, and later on you have to lock your documents and then submit it. And here again it says, are you sure to lock your uploaded documents? Then click it as OK. That's it, friends. This is the procedure for the online application of your documents. Thank you, friends. I hope you liked our video. If you like our video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel AgriCourse World for more content related to agriculture.